Good morning, my excellent achievers. Let me go through how to do this today with Classkick because for some reason we had some problems this morning. So we're going to do it again a different day. But when you first got in here, if you take a look right here, there's a place for you to move to the next screen. So when you first come in, it'll say, read the following pages by recording yourself on each page. Click the arrow. And what you'll do is if you see this microphone here, if you click that, see where it says start, it'll say start recording. And you start recording. And then you just read, once upon a time there was a little girl, blah, 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 blah. And then you stop and save. What'll happen when you stop and save, What'll happen when you stop and save is that there'll be a box up here. Okay? So you click this button, you record what's to read, then you click stop recording, and then that box will show up. It'll appear and I can see it. Okay. Then you go to the next one. This one said to use the tools to answer use the tools to answer the questions. You just go and you use a pen tool and you mark your answers. Okay? Whoops. You just mark your answers. Pretty simple. Pretty easy stuff. Then we would go to the next page, and the next page is going to be to read these words. Now, this was my fault. I did not give you the directions for this, but all I would want you to do would be to read these words for me. Okay? All right. And then after that, it was going to be to read these words, but you needed to record yourself for both, which was my fault. I did not add that. Okay? So I will make sure, and it's the same process. Then there was this last page, page 6, that you didn't have to worry about this page. I'm trying to put everything into one so it'll be a little easier for us to do. Then when you got to this page, that meant that you were finished for the day with your Classkick assignment. So hopefully that helps. I have tried to look for something else to use, but it seems as though Classkick is going to be the easiest way of doing this. So take a look at this recording, watch and see what I did. I'll resend the link for today for our reading assignment. I'll resend the link so you can try and do that again. Thanks.